Nigga, what?
Yo, I feel like I got lip gloss on.
Yo,
Nothing about
what
it,
the
bro.
fuck?
Oh, shit! Yo, bro.
I can't breathe. Open sesame. You heard me?
Oh my god, let me do some of this.
What's that?
Where would it be? Where would that happen? What?
This guy's sponsored by Jay's Racing over here, son. Track tough. I like this rear bumper. Stop. Oh, the nut for the cage.
Oh, it is it. Wow, thank you, God. Bro, I lost that bolt and I had to spend $8 on like just 8 of them because you can't buy one. I lost one nut. One nut. Probably around here somewhere.
You're gonna find it later when you don't need it. So today's task, get the motor back in. I see you with the quick disconnect. You should flip this, bro.
Okay.
So this could be down there. You just gotta take the two bolts and flip it. Now that the motor's out, it's more smooth. We can do that shit. That's what I want to do on my car.
You know, it's crazy. Something else I wanted to take advantage of now that I'm here, and I'm completely forgetting what it is. I forgot what it is.
I got a spare motor. Man, you fixed this up since last time I was here.
It's clean, a little bit more like
got some stuff hanging. You look more organized. This is what I need my own garage, bro. You got some Mike's Hard Lemonade.
Where is it? Oh.
There was none. There was no more left.
Nah. Oh, there's Truly's if you want.
Nah, I don't like Truly's.
Like shit. Oh, she might have the good ones though, bro.
I don't like social water at all. I don't know how I like that.
Mike's one was good, bro.
Yeah, because I don't taste it, but I taste the salsa water and Truly.
What size would you eat? What is this? This is awkward. Let's try.
I need a paint match my rear. This is how I'm trying to get mine to look.
Maybe take a flip, bro. Oh my God. I text her too out here. This is what sucks.
Yeah, what the hell? Can't even post this picture.
Why? What are you talking about?
I guess the service.
Yeah?
What's in the box?
They wrap the shit out of this. They don't play no games over here.
See that titanium? Shit light as hell.
No. This is not even titanium. This is stainless. They actually don't even make
titanium?
this. Yeah, they don't make titanium 60 RSs. They only make that 70 RS option titanium. And the annoying part is, even if you buy the 70, you gotta get their header, which I don't even know how their header is, how developed it is. You know, if it even makes your car, you really see gains. Cause their pipe is not even 3 inches either, bro. It's crazy. On the 70, it's only 2.75.
2.75.
Yeah, some shit like that. So it's, you're still losing, you know what I mean? You're still not a true 3-inch, you know, exhaust. That's why K-Tune, honestly speaking, bro, is best bang for buck if you're really looking just straight power. So that's why I'm just going cutout, bro. It's all good. It's gonna be quiet for the freaking cars, bro. It's funny, I was excited to see the craftsmanship, like on the exhaust itself. When I had the little oval shit, and I like the welds on it, they were like cool. So I'm like interested in seeing what like J Racing look like. Yo, can you believe I just lost my blade, bro? It's stuck right there. Wow, what a weird. Wow. Did you get it?
You need like a pen or some shit to.
When I got this exhaust was just to really have the look, the J Racing look that I really always wanted. So, like I really did this shit. I'll be honest with you, silver welding, this shit sucks. Look at the welds in that shit. That shit is draki. Draki. J Racing, I need a do better. This is hilarious. Oh, there you go. At least it got a little stamp. Got a little nick right there. What's that about? Oh look, but these are clean. So the ones that you see are clean, you know, but the ones you don't see,
Yeah.
they're pieces of shit. Vroom vroom. What you think, bro? Just to have the J Racing look.
Look nice.
Yo, look at the
What mid pipe you using?
I'm using all that custom made.
Custom 3-inch?
Yeah. Not even 3-inch. I'm actually keeping it quiet, and then I'm supposed to order that. What is this right here? This actually might be the throttle body right there. I was looking for that. Because I'll do. Yep, a little bit. Let me loosen that shit up a little bit. No, I can loosen that to spec too, I guess. I wouldn't bother actually doing anything. Think overdid it or nothing.
3 hours later.
Put it to charge when I had the idea of it.
Hours later. 10 hours later. After running around.
Put that. Like the little SpongeBob shit?
Yeah. We didn't even have the clutch alignment tool, so we was running around trying to get that, and it's dark as hell right now.
Now we finally got it.
Now tranny's back. Now it's time to take the wheels off, take the subframe off. Man, he got money. Jay's racing.
I feel like I'm forgetting something.
It's cold as hell. I don't got a tripod, so can't be letting the sit record. Just gotta keep updating.
Solar.
Bro.
Get the ball, bro. It's heavy. Go, 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 go. That's it. Oh, right there. Oh, shit. Oh, God.
It's on your mouth, bro.
Hey, yo. I didn't see.
It's not edible, bro.
I can't even believe this happened, bro.
Yeah, I can't breathe. Oh my god. Whew. Motor's in. Minor little stuff. Just getting the subframe up now. I'm out of breath.